Hey YouTube, this is Jimdel-Edu. Welcome back. Uh, Now we're back, guys. We're back to continue our series on chat app, live support chat, or you can call it this way as well. We use PHP, JavaScript, Ajax, HTML, and CSS. Last time we left on part. This is by the way, this is part 10. We did the part 9. Now this is part 10. On part 10, this is what we are going to do, guys. We are going to try to log in into admin dashboard. Okay, we are going to try to log in into admin dashboard. To do so, we will add some code inside our table called account for admin. Let me show you. If you go to PHP my admin, here our database also is all our tables right here, and we have one of our table called account, and then we will add. Let me click on it. You can see we'll add some code inside of it, some credential in order to log in, because as an admin you can add it directly, okay, through SQL. Now we need the ID, email, password, full name, a role as an admin, secret, last seen, photo URL if you want to add it, IP address, user agent, registered, and status, and so on. On the other hand, let me go back, open your code editor. This is our last code on part 9, and now we will remember what I just showed you. We will try to log in, because we already got login.php for inside of our admin folder, and we have let me show you. If we go here and create admin. Okay, let's see. Let's put login. Okay, here's our login page right here. Here's our login page. We need some credential sit inside of our table called account in order to log in inside of our admin dashboard. Okay, and let's go straight to our code. Okay, to do so, to add them, I'm going to open, follow me guys, click on your SQL. I'm open my SQL. Okay, delete this line of code, and then I'm going to show you something here. I'm going to open my notepad. I already create some credential for you guys. As you can see, this is the same thing. Let me show you 1 second, or let me go back. Okay, and okay, we're here. Let me go back, and here you got ID 1. Also for email, this is admin02@gmail.com. You can put this is a random email address. Okay. Also for password, the password is let me write it down so that you can I put test 02, and yes, this is the password for admin. This is where, and then I put it I convert it into hash. Okay, this is a test 02. This is it. Every time, okay, when I put this, and then when you go inside of our to put inside the box, okay, this is, you have to put a test 02 and so on. And then as for full name, admin, and role admin, and here for secret I leave it blank. You can add anything you want. For last seen, I will talk about date. Last seen, This is, I put this date, okay, right here for, let me, okay, for photo URL. I leave it blank right here. I put a single quote. For IP address, I put a single quote. For user agent, I put a single quote. For registered, I put this date. Also, last but not least, for status, I put idle. Okay, I will put those this code in the description, so you will get access to it, or you can create your own if you want. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do, like, because I said insert into account right here, and then I just pretty much the same thing. What I'm going to do, I'm going to do a copy paste. I copy this, copy, and click on my, you haven't saved. Okay, yeah, click here and click on account. Okay, you need account table, and click on SQL. Delete this line and paste. Let me do Control V. Okay, now we have it right here. What I'm going to do is to click on go here. Okay, now green, that means fine, and click on browse. Okay, now we have it right here. We have everything. Okay, now let's see if we can log in, because we got here, and this is the admin02@gmail.com. This is the same thing we have here. Okay, and remember, for password, I wrote it down. This is a test02. Okay, and then right here, this is the password. Okay, this is the password for the hash right here. Okay, let me put it closer. Okay. Or what I'm going to do, I can do it this way. I can copy, just to show you. I'm going to copy this and go back and paste it, login. Nothing. Now we need to create home.php. Let me see. We need home right now. It required me to create home.php. He asked me to get login. Yeah, we got, let me see. Yeah, he asked me to home.php. Let me find. Home.php is not found because it's why. Let me go back to our code. Instead of our login, if you open login.php, because we said redirect to dashboard board page, we said header location home.php. Therefore, we need the home.php in order to get access to the dashboard page for the admin. Let's go and create home.php inside admin folder. Right click on admin folder, click a new file and save it. Call it home.php. Okay, now we have home.php. Okay, now we have home.php. Let's add some code inside home.php. Okay, to add some code inside home.php, because let me give you a brief explanation here. Inside home.php, remember we need a main, because a main we have for main for admin. We should create another because we're going to get main. You have to connect main inside of our home.php, and then inside of our home.php, this is where we get the dashboard template. Okay, we will put the dashboard template inside home.php. This is our we will pass the link for the message, also our total message for the user, total user, new user, and so on. Also was status, sent message, last seen, registered, actions. All of this will sit link. It will sit inside home.php. Okay. Now um, to create, now we have a home.php file create, and let's add some code inside of it. Okay, now the first thing we are going to create is a div. um, okay, let me okay, we create a we create a div. Now in a div, we are going to call it dashboard. Okay, and let me bring on this. We need a class, pass a class, call it content title. Okay, and this is where okay, now this is our dashboard. Okay, now we next we create another div, and now we can do the same thing. Pass. Okay, I call this one, this class dashboard, and create another div inside of it. Let me increase this. Okay, okay. And I'm going to, okay, now create a class called for the data. The first one is new messages, and I'm going to straight pass my PHP here. This is the okay, closing. Yeah, equal. Yeah, number format. For the messages for today. Okay, like this. It's close. Okay, and this is the closing div for that, and then go next after that. Now comment. Now create the footer. Okay, put alright, this is this div right here. Let's consider this one. This is for the main dashboard. Okay, and put something to identify this one. Oh no, I can put it this way. Okay, and then let's go here. Now we need another div, create content block, another content block, start again. I'm going to what I want to do, I want to do a copy. Let's see, you can do a copy and paste. Okay, we can do a copy and paste here. Let's do a copy and paste, and to save some time. Okay, and then after that we can make some changes. Let's do a copy and paste, and to save some time we can make some changes. We got the first block, content block start right here is the first block, and I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to delete this one and make some this is call it second for the second, and I'm going to paste the second right here. And then now let me make some changes. Remember, the first one we have new messages. The second, now I'm going to change this to total messages, new messages. Okay, now total messages. Now I'm going to say, now I'm going to change here to messages to total. Keep it like this, and then div, comment, footer, this is fine. Okay, this is fine. Now let's remove for today. We put on total messages, and then which is fine. Now I'm going to copy this, okay, the second, and copy this block of code. Okay, skip one line and paste it right here. I'm going to call this one third, and now let's make some changes. Instead of total messages, let's put new, yeah, let's put new users. Let's put on new users, and let's see, number format. Now let's change this right here. This line I'm going to change it, keep the PHP, this is fine, but inside let's put remove this, okay, and create another bracket. Alright, okay, or let me put it this way. Oops. Alright, this is the first one. Put count, okay, and then like this, and we need the users. Alright, like this. Okay, and div I. Now this one not comment. Let's put it's supposed to be users, like this, and let's see, and then footer, that's fine. Here solid, this is comment. Let's see, to the message here on second one, to the message comment. This is okay, this is fine. Okay, okay, yeah, now you have users, and now we should get total users here. Okay, and then div, and I want you to bring the last div up, bring this up. Okay, alright, now we need let's create another div here, a class. This is for the content title, This is for new users. Okay, now okay, now this is where I'm going to start creating our table now. Class first and a table. Okay, now this is where we are going to add our email, name, role, status, sent message, last seen, and so on, guys. Okay. Alright, now we have our class table, and remember to form the, we said class table, oops, table, bring this down, and we need after table, we need the table head, oops, bring this down, and we need table row, okay, and then we need table data. Now, okay, this is our first table data. Now call it responsive. So, okay, the first one, keep it like this. Now our second, for the email, no, after email we need another one for name here, and then now we need here. Okay, and now I'm going to copy this line and paste it. We need 4 more. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to change from here, okay, and change this to set messages, last seen, and registered also. Okay, and last but not least, we know the table data. I'm going to call it actions. Okay. Now and then after table head, closing table head, I want you to go here and create table body, T body. Okay, okay, and bring this down right here. I can put it this way so that you can see what I'm doing. Let me bring this up a little bit and go inside. Okay, now I'm going to, right away, I'm going to pass some PHP right away inside of our table body, just to call if I'm going to check if the user is empty, and then PHP here, check the if empty users. Okay, I'm talking about the table for the table row. Now table data, equals space equal 10, and what I'm going to give it a style text on a text align, should be text align center, and this is the message. There are no users. Okay. let me move this over here. All right, and then next go to the next line. PHP, or if there are no users, we can say else. Okay, else, and now else, and create a for each loop users as, I call it users as a. All right, and then let's go to our table row again. Let's go to our table row. In the table data first, responsive. Okay, a single quote. It's an ID here. Oh, it is a closing PHP. Okay, and table. Okay, yeah. Now go to the next line, and we need five more table data. Okay, we need five more table data. What I'm going to do, okay, let me code it instead of let's see, copy and paste. Let me code it instead. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Opening, closing at the same time, because we don't want to forget. And then use yeah, HTML special here. Do the same. Now I'm going to do it for in ID, email, full name. This is everything from the, okay, you can see here for the inside of the account, ID, email, password, full name, and so on. Now let continue. Now we got ID, and now we have email, and quote, yeah, and closing PHP. All right, now I can copy this line, and we need another line the same, and I'm going to remove email, put full name. Okay, and keep this one as it is. Now next, we need the table data again. At this time, pass a class called, okay, let's see. Okay, and then now you got a wall. And then, yeah, we need the closing PHP here as well. Let's see the first one here, a ID, closing table data. Okay, now next what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this line and go to the next line, paste it, and replace it, remove wall by status right here. Okay, the same thing, and go to the next line. Also we need follow me. At this I'm going to create a table data and bring this down. Let me bring this up, because okay. And then now inside pass PHP, I'm going to now make sure I'm checking the chat account role as an admin if it's equal to the account, if account is equal to admin, because you want to log in into the admin dashboard. If that's why I'm using sessions. Okay, if session, this is a chat. That's for ID. No, not ID. The role as an admin, and it's equal to, oops, admin. Okay, if the chat account role is equal to admin, now we have to log in the admin. Okay, now use the chat logs that, yeah, chat logs that PHP. Opening, closing. We don't want to forget it. Okay, now, okay, ID, and then after that we're going to create a class here. Call it link1, and let me make this a little bit smaller so that you can see what I'm doing. Well, now PHP go, that's the opening, closing, messages total. This messages total. Okay, well, now it's fine. Let me go here. Oops. Okay, messages total. So else. Opening, closing. Now, because we got if statement here, and now we have to close it, and if right here. Okay, and then here is the table data, last closing table. Okay, now, and after the closing and if table, this table data, I want you to go, oops, go to the next line right here, and now let's create another table, table data here. Title, okay, and opening, closing PHP here, here for the last scene. Okay, Now I'm going to create another PHP here. Follow me, guys. Here, equal, opening, closing, and I'm going to use time. Yeah, time elapsed string. Okay. Okay. Now for the last scene. Okay. Close. PHP close table data. Okay, this is fine now. Now, oops, table data class. Okay, and then now I'm going to do for date. Oops, open PHP equal closing. Now date. Okay, this is the format. All right. String to time. Registered. Close. And table data. PHP. Okay. ID. Link one. Link it to. I'm going to link it to edit. Okay. Now, this is a table. This is a table. We'll bring this up. Okay. We bring this up now. Now I'm going to use for each loop and for each, because we have a PHP, as you can see here on line 72, we have a for each loop. We have to close it here. Also, and if where we have an if, right here line 80, if session, we have to close it here as well. PHP and if right here, and tbody table div. After table we have two closing div. Okay, and then now after we have two closing div. And now let's create the for the footer. Let me put it this way. And create a div here. Content now. content title, and I'm going to add a break. Let's see, I'm going to add a break here. You will see it in a moment. Okay, and the div here, call this class main. I need a style with a margin top, 50 pixel, text align, center. If I pass a color here, okay, footer and inside of our admin dashboard, we need a footer. Okay, also I'm going to call the admin template footer. I'm going to call it like this. Template admin folder. Okay, now, and we're not done yet. I'm going to add some. Okay, next, let's see what we get. I'm going to save the program. Click on save all, and then let's go into our browser, run it, try to log in, run it to see what we get. Okay, and let me go here and refresh the page. Okay, now as you can see, now we are inside of our admin dashboard. This is what we get so far. But we got error message, we got here, this is passed. Okay, as you can see, you see the link, new messages, total messages, user and so on. Not done yet, but we got the message. Let's fix them. Only 5 variable messages to the total, line 11, 23, line 35, and so on. There are no users. Yeah, we have no user. So here, line 113, undefined template admin folder. Okay, let's go back to our code. 11, 23, 35. Let's go up. 11, 23, 11. Yes. Okay. Now let's fix those errors. This is how we are going to fix them. All right, guys. All right. First thing first, what I'm going to do, remember we have to include main. Remember I told you we have to include main that also we have to call the template admin header dashboard too, main.php. I told you that. Okay, now let's go top here, put PHP. Okay, the first thing I'm going to say include, we need the main.php. Yep. Okay, if we save it and we go back here, let's see, we refresh it. As you can see now, so far we got only one error on main, line 49. Okay, but because we're not done yet, okay, let's add more. Okay, more code inside of home.php, more PHP code. Now, next, after adding main.php, doing the connection, Now we have, I'm going to retrieve the total number of messages for the current day. To retrieve them, this is how you retrieve them. Let me put some comments for you, okay? I'm going to say retrieve the total number of, not comment, of messages for the current day. Yep, I'm going to use a statement. Okay, and I'm going to select count everything as total, but from where? I'm going to from the messages. Okay, let's go back, because we have a table called messages. This is where we want to grab everything from. Okay, for table called messages, where cast cast where we said submit date as date. Okay, equal cast now. And let's go here, cast now as date. Cast now as date, and let's put and then put a semicolon, at the end. Okay, and after that, now let execute the, we need the statement. Now we have to execute our statement. Okay, and we need messages today total. Yep, equal to statement let's fetch column. You have to fetch, you have to look for it. Okay, next, what we are going to do now, we are going to retrieve the total number of messages. Remember, the first one is to retrieve the total number of messages for the current day. Okay, now we have to retrieve the total number of directly now messages. Use statement again. Now this is going to do the same thing as total. Okay, from messages, table messages. Now we need the messages today total. Fetch column. Okay, now guys, we are going to retrieve the total number of accounts for the current day. Okay, Now let's retrieve the total. It's a number. And using statement okay. Now we need a account ID. Let's see. Total form. Oops. Oh, edit. Okay. From our table called accounts, and where I got this called account where where cast as did. Where do I get this? I don't want this. Yeah, okay, as did. Cool. Now also change as date should be capital letter here, okay? And let's see, we have cast now. Let's see, as date should be capital. Put a capital letter here. Yeah. I need to put a capital letter here. Okay, here. Yeah, capital letter here. Okay, that's fine. Now order by registered. Okay, now and let's see, something's missing. That's how we got a yeah, something's missing here. Let's see what it is. Maybe we forgot to add something. Let's see, something's missing, or we remove statement, video select. That's what I'm missing. Select out everything from messages, where account ID, form messages where account ID equal the as messages total from account where cast. Okay, you remove, we don't have, okay, yeah, okay, right now everything's fine. Okay, should be opening single quote right here in front of select and then close right here. All right. Statement. Now we have to prepare statement, and now we have to execute our statement. Okay, all right, and then use statement. We have to fetch all. Okay. Now, guys, we are going to retrieve the total number of accounts, which is the total number of account. We use statement. Table called accounts, and now we need users total fetch colon. Okay, now this is where we have to call the dashboard template below. Okay, and then this is the closing PHP. Here opening, closing here. Yeah, we're supposed to call it after that. Sorry, we're supposed to call it after the closing PHP here. Otherwise, it won't work. You won't be able. Otherwise, you won't be able to do it. Yeah, give an error message. Template. I call our template admin header. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now, yeah, guys. So pretty much, this is it. This is a home.php. Okay. This is home.php. Now let's go and go to file, save all, and now let's go to our browser and refresh the page to see what we've got. And here, now we got an error message that said unexpected users total on home.php line 25. This is line 25 statement. Okay, pretty much our last code. Oh, let's see. Let's see. Probably finish this. Yeah, this is the where we prepared everything here, and we execute everything here. Say prepare statement equal video. We select count as total from account. Okay, and statement execute. Oh yes, we forgot to add a semicolon. Okay, I want you to add a semicolon in statement execute. Put a semicolon on line 24 and save the program, and let's go back again, refresh. Okay, now we got our first error message. Our first error message is unexpected PDO on line 49, but on main.php, file called main.php. Okay, now we're working on home.php. Okay, now we have to open main.php inside admin folder. Here's main.php. Let's go back, open main.php. Let's open main. Now we have main.php inside admin folder. Open it, and it said line, let's say, which line? Line 49. Let's see what we got. On line 49, for me on line 49, this is line 49. Okay, this is line 49. This is line 49. It's a error. Okay. Okay, this is our first error message because we have follow me guys. Here we have, let me increase this. Here we have statement PDO, but we're supposed to get statement equal. As you can see here, we have statement always got followed by an equal sign. Statement equal. Now here we have a statement, and then we have no equal sign. I want you to space, put an equal sign here, and go to file and save all. Now let's go back to our browser, refresh the page. Okay, as you can see, refresh the page. Now we have another syntax error message. It's an unexpected here. This span right here on line 69, the same main.php on line 69. Let's see what we got. Let's go open. We're on main.php inside of admin folder. Now this time on line 69, scroll down. Here's line 69 for me right here. Okay, where we got if you started from here, where we got admin underscore links equal here. Okay, and then these are line 69, and then because it said unexpected keys, you see this pen opening. Okay, let's see the opening. Is this pen right here? Okay, here's what happened. Is the opening span, here's the closing. What happened is I want you to put a space after the closing bracket here, parentheses, sorry, after the closing parentheses, put a space and put a dot, put another space. That will fix it. Okay, and go to file, save all, and go to our browser, refresh the page. Okay, let's see, let's go back because we said online. Yeah, we fix it, but it says online. Okay, we still got okay, we're still on line 69. Okay, I want you to go to line 67, because we got the same thing right here, this line right here, because we fixed this one. Okay, we put a space after the closing parentheses, we put a space, we put a dot, we put another space, that fix it. Now on line 67 here, do the same thing, go after the closing parentheses, put a space, put a dot, put another space. That will fix the issue. And then go to file, save all, and go back to our browser, refresh the page. Okay, now we have another error message. Syntax error, unexpected equal sign. On main, line 187 for me. Let's go back, line 187. Let's go down to see line 187. Okay, here's line 187 for me here. This is when we said convert the date to elapse string function. Okay, but on line 187 is unexpected equal sign. That's when we got difference, when checking the difference, remember here on line 188, the difference, we got an error right here, and on line 187 we should get an error right here, and then after W put something like this, put an error, W equal floor, and then the rest of the code. Leave it like this. That will fix the issue. Okay, go ahead, go to save all. Okay, save all, go back to our browser, refresh it. Now we got the login page. So what does that mean? That means we log in, no problem, no issue with the login. Okay, now let's do something. Let's do some test. Okay, remember that one is a test. Remember I showed you, this is a test. This is the password for the hash code. This is the hash code right here for admin. This is the okay, I will post it, you will find it. Okay, let me log in. Okay, here's the email, and then let me copy this. Let's log in, and let me paste it here to see if we got error message. Okay, that means it went through, but it looks like something's missing. Yep. Okay, let's go back to, if you log in, you should be able to go inside the home page, because we created home page. We got home.php, and we include main.php. We fix all our error messages. Also, this is what we call template admin header here. You should not be able to get any issue if you go to login. Okay, config main. Yes, we got pretty much everything. Okay, now what I'm going to do straight, guys, let add some CSS to see what we got. But let's try one more time before we try figure out what's going on. That's why we got everything set, and we should be able to log in, guys. Now this is as you can see, this is the email address for the admin. This is the password. Let me copy the password and paste it here. Okay, we won't be able to log in. Let's go back inside of our code. Let's open main.php inside of admin.folder. Open main.php, because we said let's check if admin is logging. Okay, check if admin is logged in. if it set session chat widget account login header, we have to send the admin to login that PHP, and then we have to exit. As an admin, we will send it inside of home that PHP that we created earlier. But as for right now, let me figure it out, because we said that if it's a session chat widget account. Listen, we're not supposed to get widget here. We're supposed to say session chat account login. I want you to let me zoom in here. Bring this over here. Okay, let me zoom in and let me show you what I'm talking about. On main.php on admin folder, on line 7 for me, I want you to remove widget here. Okay, I want you to cut widget. Okay, we're supposed to get chat account login here. That's why we won't be able to log in. Okay, I think that will fix the issue. Now go ahead, file, save all, and let's go back to our browser. Should be able to log in. Okay, this is the email address, and let me put the password. Okay, and click on login. Now it's what, let's see. Okay, now we log in. Now that's when now we are, as you can see here, admin home.php. This is all the links, everything that we get, but also we have another error message at the undefined variable session. And let's go and fix this before we add some CSS. Guys, I will keep that tutorial as short as possible, but I want to add some CSS so that you can see the beauty inside of the admin dashboard. Okay, let's fix these two line of code on line 1. Okay, main.php on line 172 undefined variable. Let's go on main. Let me bring this over. Decrease this on line 172. Let's go down. Line 172. Okay, this is line 172 right here. Okay, this is line 172. Oh, okay, this is the error message. That's why we got session. We're supposed to say $_session. Okay, you will see it. Let me zoom in. You will see it like this. You will see it like this. Okay, and there is no underscore. Click from the middle here and add an underscore, $_session, and go to file, save all, and let's go back to our browser and refresh it. Let's see. Okay, now there is no error message at all. Okay, this is the footer. There is no error message. Now what we are going to do quick, we are going to add some CSS to see the beauty of our admin dashboard. Okay, page. Now let's go back. I want you to go here, or go inside of your admin folder, click open admin.css. Let's add some CSS code quick. Now we need box sizing. Okay, also do font family. Okay. Let me bring this over. This. And here. Okay, let me. Okay, I can do. And in font size 16. Okay. All right, now we're going to say height should be use the height 100%. Now I take our body. We need the position to be relative and mid height. Color. With the background color. Margin 0. Let's see what we got so far and refresh. Okay, as you can see, we can see the background color change. The background color has changed. And let's continue. If I take all the header h1, h2, h3, h5 and so on, everything that we've been using, and inside main we have we got yeah, last file was home, yes. And then but don't forget, inside main, this is where we have the admin template. Yes, we have admin template, yeah, admin template, admin footer, and also we have the header. This is the template dashboard. Okay, and yeah, I'm going to h1, do h2, h3. Take everything and pass one color. Okay, and give it a margin 0 and a padding 0. Okay, now let me start with the aside first. And if I check, I'm looking for aside inside. As you can see, inside main.php, we have aside. This is where we want the admin link to set all these links right here. Let's put them in order. Okay, that's why we have to work with aside. That's what I was looking for. And let's go back. Okay, and the first thing we need for the aside, we need a position. Our position should be fixed. height 100%, and width look, I'm going 260. Nope. And I want it to display flex. Remember here, flex flow. Yeah, columns. And we need a background color. We go here. Any overflow auto. Okay. Now, so far, what we can do, we can go ahead, save everything, and refresh. Now you got an idea. So far, now we're working hard. Okay. Let's continue. That's why I'm going to say now take aside H1 and display inline. I'm going to say display inline flex, and we need a background color. Okay. We need a width of height. Uh, 55 pixel. It's the color, and use a margin. So padding 0, and with a font width 600, and the font size be 14 pixel, and I want align them be in the center. Okay, justify content. Justify content center. Yeah, center. With center. Now let's save everything and see what we got. Refresh. Okay. All right. And next, we need position, size, font width. Now I'm going to remove the bar. That's why I said text declaration. Now let's refresh. Okay, now we separate them, as you can see, and now same. Okay, pass this this color here. pass it like this. That's a style, guys. Okay, pixel and aside. Selected. Okay. Run color here. Okay, let's see what we got on now. Save everything, let's refresh. Okay, as you can see, got over now. Looks good. Let add. I'm going to start, but let's add a few more, guys. Okay. Let's add a few more code. Let's add a few more code for the side here. Selected for the after now content. Okay. Oops. I want it display block. Position to be absolute and right 0. Top 0, no, top, let me top be 15 pixel. Okay. Width 0, and then give it a height 0. Transparent. So yeah, I'm gonna add a okay. Now we can do the same thing. Save, go refresh. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to say that selected, and then I'm going to take that that sub. I want to display this one flex as well. Okay. And set background color. Okay, Let's go refresh. All right, now as you can see we got a user online 1 because admin, because we log in as an admin, that's why you see 1. Okay, here next we have a site that's sub on it, display none, and we got flex flow column, background color here. That's so font size pixel. Okay, let's save, refresh. All right, now remove. Okay, as you can see, guys. Okay, all right, so I'm going to stop here, and then after we will continue and fix this, add more. You will see the admin logo here, the avatar for admin, and then so on, the link, add more code, and then you will see now. Okay, all right, okay guys, thank you. This is where I'm going to stop. This is the result that we got so far. As you can see, now we are inside of the admin dashboard, and this is our last block of code. Okay, this is our last block of code. All right, thank you guys for watching. Thank you. I know it's been a long journey for you as you're watching right now. Don't forget to share, to subscribe, to like. Click on the thumbs up icon, and so that different people can find this tutorial, this channel, they can learn more. And if you have any comments, let me know. If you got any error message, let me know. I will be glad to assist you. And thank you. See you in the next one for part 11. Don't forget, this one is at part 10. All right, guys. See you.